Hello there. So, this is a simple meditation for humanity, which we started doing with the Healing Circle group. We meet every Friday, and we did this for the first time just a couple of days ago. So, what I'd like you to do with this meditation, if you just look in front of you now, and if you just take a few deep breaths and just allow your eyelids to close down. That's right. So as your eyelids close down, just find yourself going deeper and deeper within. Just breathing out any stress or tension from the day. And just letting yourself breathe in peace and relaxation. Allowing that each breath draws you more and more inside yourself to a place where you are very relaxed and also very receptive. You can imagine a very beautiful golden light trickling through your body, trickling right through your body now till it reaches the base of your feet. This relaxes you further and helps you feel more sensitive. So as you continue just to relax now, you can imagine that you're going along a pathway and you're going to a special sacred site. You will know where you need to go. So just going along that pathway till you reach that site and just stand there expectantly. Just feel the vibration of the earth beneath your feet, the nature around you, the beautiful, loving spirit above you, and you know that you're not alone. This prayer is for humanity. So now, in that sacred site, we call other people to join us. And these people start to join and make a circle with you. And already there's a group forming, which may be with others that you love, who are interested in these things. But more people come. These people come from different races, from different nations, even indigenous people. Many, many people come and join us in this circle. And as we form a circle together in this sacred site, we hold hands. And as we hold hands, there is an energy of love that starts to build around the circle. That's right. And the people still continue to come from various parts of the world. We are all part of humanity together, living on this planet. And as so many of us join in this circle, there is love that continues to build, and we are united. We are united with love and the wish to be together in peace. The energy of this love and peace grows. You can feel it in your heart. And those people who have come from all these different places, as they feel the love we are building together, they send this love to their people, our people, from all these various parts of the world. So that sense of love and peace is spreading. It's spreading more and more throughout the globe, helping us to feel that we are one people. People who live from a place of love and peace. And as you experience this now, and that love and peace is spreading, the thought of this from your own inner imagination also spreads, and it spreads in a way that there is hope and possibility that this vision of love and peace is forming. It is there. It is the world that we are becoming. We can do this. So now, with our circle complete for today, let's give thanks. Let's give thanks to Spirit, to our beloved Mother Earth, and let's give thanks to each other. We can see the love in each one's eyes, and we know that we're connected in a very positive way. So then, when you're ready, we can just know that we can do this practice again as many times as needed for this love and peace to spread and to be in our world. So just letting go of the hands on either side of you now. And we can allow that space for all of us to return to our homelands. So then you can experience yourself going along that pathway and just returning to your physical body that's sitting or lying very comfortably. Feel that peace and well-being in your heart. And then, only when you're ready, just bring your attention and your awareness, your consciousness, fully into your body again, so that you're able to function and do all the things that you need to do in your three-dimensional reality around you. And then slowly returning to normal consciousness, feeling your body, feeling yourself returning to your normal awareness, and then you can open your eyes. Thank you so much for listening.